As we shared in the main technique video, 3-2-1 is a great way to help students retain lecture content by asking them to summarize, evaluate, and question a lecture's key ideas. Here's how you can implement 3-2-1 in your online class. Create a 3-2-1 template that asks students to write 3 new things you learned, write 2 things you found particularly interesting, write 1 thing you still have questions about. In your learning management system, provide the 3-2-1 template, grading criteria, and time frame for submitting the assignment. You may also consider posting the 3-2-1 prompts in a discussion thread so students can see each other's responses. 3-2-1 helps students retain lecture content while providing you with an efficient way to check understanding and gauge interest in a topic. At the Patricia Academy, we encourage you to try 3-2-1 in your online class. Download our free support materials for step-by-step instructions and additional guidance.